Plastic waste collected from across India is transported to large collection centers. Here, excavators load the waste into transport trucks until the
loaded trucks travel to a large recycling factory, where the plastic waste is unloaded directly into a giant receiving hopper to begin the recycling process.
Conveyor belts transport the plastic waste into the recycling line. The first step is sorting. Different types of plastic are separated for recycling.
advanced sorting machines separate different types of plastic.
The washed plastic is completely dried.
The clean plastic is melted at high temperatures. The molten plastic is converted into small recycled plastic pellets. The recycled pellets are stored and prepared for manufacturing. The pellets are fed into injection molding machines. Inside the machine, the pellets are melted into liquid plastic. The liquid plastic is injected to bucket molds. The bucket takes shape inside the mold.
The molded bucket is cooled and hardened.
After cooling, the mold opens. The finished bucket is removed from the machine. Looks good, no defects on this one. Every bucket is inspected before packaging. What started as plastic waste has now become a useful household product, ready for sale.